play basketball with us at the beach.
Scholars, it's summertime. Welcome to the highly favored Learning for Kids Splash Summer Edition.
Scholars, today we're going to learn to count from 1 to 10 with me, Mrs. Davis, LiL Tee, Tenkie, and of course we can't forget the twins, King and Dynasty. I hope you're ready.
Let's go. Let's count 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You try. With your imaginary basketball, we're going to shoot from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Make those jump shots. 3. Get it, scholars, get it. 4. Make that basket. And swish. 5. Use your fingers. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count 1 to 10 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slow. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again. 1, O-N-E. 2, T-W-O. 3, T-H-R-E-E. 4, F-O-U-R. 5, F-I-V-E. 6, S-I-X. 7, S-E-V-E-N. 8, E-I-G-H-T. 9, N-I-N-E. And 10, T-E-N. Let's go! Count in reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Scholars, you are amazing, and don't quit on me now. Let's shoot from 1 to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's go!
No.
Using both hands and all of our fingers, we're going to count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
More practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent job, scholars. We are definitely putting in a lot of work. Let's play the matching game. Do they match? No, they do not match. So sorry. Do they match?
They are both basketballs.
No, they do not match. They are not the same. Nice try. Do they match?
They look alike, I guess.
Yes, they do match. They are definitely the same. Do they match?
They are both basketball players.
Oh my goodness, they do not match. They are not the same. Do these two match? Do they match? No, they do not match. They are not the same. Do they match? No, they do not match. They are not the same. Do these match? They are the same. They do match. Let's go! Okay, scholars, round 2 of the matching game. Do they match?
Nice sneakers. Those are cool.
No, they do not match. They are not the same, scholars. Do they match? Look closely. No, they do not match. They are not the same.
Oh yeah, they're not the same.
How about these two? Do they match? Do these two match? No, so sorry, they do not match. They are not the same. Do they match? I see some similarities. Yes, scholars, they match. They are the same. Scholars, now it is your turn to independently count how many times the ball bounces. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The ball bounced 10 times. Excellent job, professional league champions. We are the MVP, most valuable players who can count from 1 to 10.
Wow, that was so much fun. Did you have fun learning to count to 10? I hope so, scholars.
I definitely had fun.
I sure did. Me too. We love to learn, don't you?
Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for joining. See you soon. Peace and blessings.
Ten. 10. 10. 10.